Hello children. How are you today? I am a storyteller. Today I take a new humorous and funny story in English with moral. Title: Goldie the Golden Queen Fish. Chapter 1: The Birth of Goldie. In the vast expanse of the ocean, where the water shimmered like liquid gold under the warm rays of the sun, there lived a special fish named Goldie. Goldie was no ordinary fish, she was the queen of all the fish in the sea. Goldie was born in a beautiful coral reef, surrounded by colorful fish and swaying seaweed. From the moment she hatched from her egg, her scales sparkled like pure gold, earning her the name Goldie. As Goldie grew, she became known for her kindness and compassion. She would help other fish find food, protect them from predators, and even offer a listening ear to those who were feeling down. Her heart was as golden as her scales, and she was loved by all who knew her. Chapter 2: The Coral Kingdom. Goldie lived in a magical place called the Coral Kingdom, where coral reefs stretched as far as the eye could see and vibrant fish darted among the colorful corals. The Coral Kingdom was a peaceful paradise, where every creature lived in harmony with one another. As the queen of the Coral Kingdom, Goldie took her responsibilities seriously. She would swim through the reefs, greeting her subjects with a warm smile and making sure everyone was happy and safe. The other fish looked up to her and admired her grace and wisdom. But despite her royal status, Goldie was always humble and down to earth. She didn't let her crown go to her head. Instead, she used her power to help others and make the Coral Kingdom a better place for all who lived there. Chapter 3: The Mysterious Stranger. One day, while exploring the depths of the ocean, Goldie encountered a mysterious stranger. The stranger was unlike any fish she had ever seen before. His scales were as black as the darkest depths of the ocean, and his eyes gleamed with an unsettling light. "Who are you?" Goldie asked, her voice tinged with curiosity and caution. "I am the Shadowfish," the stranger replied, his voice low and menacing. "I have traveled from the depths of the ocean to challenge your rule and claim the Coral Kingdom as my own." Goldie felt a shiver run down her spine. She had heard tales of the Shadowfish, a powerful creature who sought to bring darkness and chaos wherever he went. She knew she had to stop him before it was too late. Chapter 4: The Battle for the Coral Kingdom. Goldie knew that she couldn't defeat the Shadowfish alone. She needed the help of her friends and allies if she was going to protect the Coral Kingdom and all who lived there. So she set out to gather an army of brave fish who were willing to fight alongside her. Together, Goldie and her allies prepared for battle. They trained day and night, honing their skills and sharpening their fins for the coming confrontation. Goldie knew that the fate of the Coral Kingdom depended on their success, and she was determined to emerge victorious. Finally, the day of the battle arrived. The Shadowfish and his dark minions descended upon the Coral Kingdom, their sinister presence casting a shadow over the once peaceful reefs. But Goldie and her allies were ready for them. The battle raged on for hours, with fish of all shapes and sizes clashing beneath the waves. Goldie fought bravely at the front lines, leading her troops with courage and determination. She knew that they couldn't afford to lose, not when the Coral Kingdom was at stake. And in the end, it was Goldie's bravery and leadership that turned the tide of the battle. With a mighty surge of energy, she unleashed her full power, sending the Shadowfish and his minions fleeing back into the depths from whence they came. Chapter 5: The Legacy of Goldie. With the Shadowfish defeated and peace restored to the Coral Kingdom, Goldie emerged as a true hero. She was hailed as the savior of the sea, revered by all who had witnessed her bravery in battle. From that day on, her legend spread far and wide, inspiring fish everywhere to stand up against darkness and fight for what is right. But Goldie's greatest legacy was not just in her deeds, but in the lessons she taught others. She showed them that true strength comes from kindness and compassion, and that by working together, they could overcome any obstacle that stood in their way. And so, the Coral Kingdom remained a heaven of peace and harmony, thanks to the courage and leadership of Goldie the Golden Queen Fish. Though she may have been just a fish in the vast ocean, her legacy would live on forever in the hearts of all who knew her. Thank you for watching this story. If you liked this story, then please subscribe so that you can get the new series of our upcoming stories from time to time. Thank you. Have a nice day.